there, scrolling on your phone? Pause for a moment and pay attention. Yes, I'm speaking directly to you. I know something about you that perhaps you've dared not admit even to yourself. I know you're destined to become wealthy, not just in the monetary sense, but in a manner that encompasses a richness of life, a depth of experience, and a wealth of knowledge. The journey to this destination is not inscribed in the fleeting whims of chance, but carved through the deliberate actions and decisions you make every day. The 7 steps to wealth await you, each one a milestone in your journey to not just financial prosperity, but to achieving a life of purpose and fulfillment. Let's begin your daily dose of wealth wisdom with number 1. Cultivating a wealth mindset. The foundation of all wealth begins not with your first dollar saved or invested, but within the confines of your own mind. Your mindset, the intricate tapestry of your beliefs and attitudes towards money, success, and yourself, dictates the trajectory of your financial journey. It's time to ask yourself, do you harbor a scarcity mindset, viewing the world as a pie with limited slices, or do you embrace abundance, believing in limitless possibilities and opportunities for growth? Transforming your mindset requires a conscious effort to challenge and rewrite the narratives you've been told or have told yourself about wealth. It's about shifting from, "I can't afford this," to, "How can I afford this?" It's about seeing obstacles as opportunities to learn and grow rather than insurmountable barriers. To cultivate a wealth mindset, start by surrounding yourself with stories of success, read books, listen to podcasts, and engage with content that inspires and educates you about the possibilities of wealth. Practice gratitude daily, focusing on abundance in your life right now, which shifts your perspective from lack to plenty. Visualization is another powerful tool. Imagine your life as you wish it to be, rich in every sense of the word. This mental rehearsal primes your brain to recognize and seize opportunities you might otherwise overlook. 2. Setting clear financial goals. Imagine setting sail without a destination. Where would you end up? The same principle applies to your financial journey. Without clear, well-defined goals, you're at the mercy of the currents of life, drifting aimlessly. Setting financial goals gives you direction, a target to aim for, making your journey purposeful and intentional. Begin by defining what wealth means to you. Is it financial independence, the ability to travel freely, or perhaps the security to provide for your loved ones without concern? Once you've painted this picture, break it down into specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound SMART goals. For instance, instead of a vague goal like, "I want to be rich," specify, "I aim to have a net worth of $1 million by the age of 40 through savings, investments, and building a profitable business." This clarity not only makes your goal more tangible, but also allows you to devise a concrete plan to achieve it. Regularly review and adjust your goals as necessary. Life is dynamic, and your goals should be too. Celebrate your milestones, no matter how small, for each is a step closer to your ultimate vision of wealth. 3. Creating a financial plan. With your goals set, it's time to chart the course. A financial plan is your roadmap, outlining the steps you need to take to go from where you are now to where you want to be. It encompasses budgeting, saving, investing, and managing debt, each component a pillar supporting your financial house. Start by assessing your current financial situation, your income, expenses, debts, and assets. This snapshot provides the baseline from which to plan. Next, create a budget that aligns with your goals, one that allows you to live within your means while allocating resources towards your objectives. Saving should be a priority, serving as both a cushion against unforeseen circumstances and a reservoir to fund your goals. Aim to save at least 20% of your income, adjusting as necessary to fit your specific situation and goals. Investing is where your money begins to work for you. Don't shy away from it due to fear or lack of knowledge. Start small, educate yourself, and consider seeking advice from financial professionals. Remember, the goal of your financial plan is not just to save money, but to grow it. Debt management is also crucial. Not all debt is bad, but high-interest debt can be a significant barrier to wealth. Develop a strategy to pay down debts, starting with those with the highest interest rates. Your financial plan should be a living document, revisited and revised regularly to reflect changes in your life and financial circumstances. It's a tool, not a set of shackles, designed to give you freedom, not restrict it. 4. Embracing education and continuous learning. The path to wealth is paved with knowledge. In a world that evolves at breakneck speed, embracing education and continuous learning is not just an option, it's a necessity. The more you understand about personal finance, investing, and wealth creation, the more empowered you become to make informed decisions that propel you toward your financial goals. By watching this video and subscribing to this channel, you've already demonstrated a commitment to learning that sets you ahead of most people. Yet consider this. The landscape of wealth is vast and varied, filled with opportunities and pitfalls. Would you rather navigate this terrain armed with a map and compass or wander blindly? Education is your map, continuous learning your compass. They guide you through unfamiliar territory, helping you to avoid common pitfalls and capitalize on opportunities that others might miss. Start by identifying areas where your knowledge is lacking. Do you understand the basics of investing? Can you decipher the complexities of the tax code to your advantage? Are you aware of the strategies to protect your wealth? Once you've identified these gaps, seek out resources to fill them. Books, online courses, seminars, and financial news outlets are treasure troves of information. Remember, the goal is not to become an expert overnight, but to build a solid foundation of knowledge that you can continue to expand over time. Moreover, learning from those who have already achieved what you aspire to can be incredibly valuable. Seek out mentors and role models, whether through direct relationships or by studying their strategies and philosophies. The lessons gleaned from their successes and failures can illuminate your path and inspire you to greater heights. 5. Diversifying income streams. Relying solely on a single source of income is akin to putting all your eggs in one basket, a risky strategy that can leave you vulnerable in times of economic uncertainty. Diversifying your income streams is about creating multiple channels of income, reducing your reliance on any single source, and providing a safety net that can help you weather financial storms. Think of it as constructing a portfolio of income sources. Just as a well-diversified investment portfolio spreads risk across different asset classes, a diversified income portfolio spreads risk across different income-generating activities. These can include your primary job, side hustles, investments that yield dividends or interest, rental income from real estate, royalties from intellectual property, and more. The beauty of diversified income streams is not just in the security they provide, but also in the potential for exponential wealth growth. Passive income streams, in particular, are the holy grail of wealth building, allowing you to earn money with minimal ongoing effort. The initial setup might require significant time, energy, and sometimes capital, but the long-term payoff can be life-changing. Begin by assessing your skills, interests, and resources. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? What assets do you have that could be leveraged to generate income? From there, explore opportunities to monetize these assets. Remember, diversification is key. The goal is to build a resilient financial ecosystem that can support you and your wealth-building ambitions. 6. Investing wisely. Investing is the engine of wealth creation. It's the process of putting your money to work for you, leveraging the power of compound interest and the growth potential of the markets to build your wealth over time. However, investing wisely requires more than just throwing money at the latest hot stock or investment trend. It requires a strategic approach informed by your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon. Start with the basics. Understand the different types of investments available to you, from stocks and bonds to real estate and mutual funds. Each has its own risk and return profile, and the right mix for you will depend on your individual circumstances and goals. Risk management is a critical component of wise investing. This means not only diversifying your investments to spread risk, but also being mindful of your investment horizon and not taking on more risk than you can afford. Remember, the goal of investing is not to get rich quick, but to build wealth steadily over time. Educate yourself on the principles of investing, and don't hesitate to seek advice from financial professionals. However, be wary of anyone promising guaranteed returns or quick riches. The world of investing is not without its charlatans, and the wise investor is one who approaches with a healthy dose of skepticism and due diligence. Investing wisely is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making informed decisions, staying the course, and adjusting your strategy as needed to navigate the ever-changing landscape of the financial markets. 7. Building and maintaining a support network. Embarking on the journey to wealth is significantly enhanced by the support network you cultivate. This network, comprised of mentors, peers, financial advisors, and supportive family members, becomes a cornerstone of your journey, offering guidance, encouragement, and critical insights. Mentors impart wisdom from their wealth-building journeys, emphasizing the value of knowledge, strategies, and growth-enhancing feedback. Peers share the pursuit, offering a platform for exchanging ideas and celebrating progress. Financial advisors provide essential, customized advice as your financial situation evolves, while family offers foundational emotional and psychological support. Building this network involves curiosity, reaching out, and participating in relevant communities. With rigorous selection, you can ensure your advisor's goals align with yours. Remember, this journey is not solitary, and the support you receive is pivotal. Subscribe to this channel to join a community of the future rich, where knowledge and strategies for wealth are shared freely. You, who paused in your scrolling to embark on this journey, are now equipped with the knowledge and strategies to navigate the path to wealth. But knowledge alone is not enough. Action is the key. Start small if you must, but start. Implement the steps one by one, and you will see progress. Your future self will thank you.